Hey guys, remember how important a routine is every day when you're trading stocks. If you can stick to the same game plan, the same setup, it's gonna make you a very good investor or trader, okay? So, I start off the morning, I roll out of bed, I hold my lower back so I don't pull anything. Then I go to the bathroom, then I spray some mist, I do some stretches, a little workout, get the blood flowing a little bit. Then I go downstairs, go get my coffee, say hi to my son, Jed, who's usually awake, piss early in the morning. My wife's hanging out with him, say hi. Then I go back upstairs and I immediately go to stock news. I want to see what's going on in the world, right? Get a feel for what's going on in the markets and in China or wherever, the latest news. And then I start looking at my watch list of stocks and how they're moving. And then I'll respond to your comments, guys, obviously, right away and get back to you so you can get ready for trading that day. Sometimes I'm a little late because there's a lot of them, guys. So just know that. But I try to respond to all of those before the market even opens, okay? And then I start looking to trade myself. Remember, the first 2 hours of trading are usually where the volume is solid so you can get some good movements. And again, if some of you like to short and buy, right, it's perfect because you can play both ways. I don't short though, okay? I don't do options either, to keep it simple. I just buy when I see good opportunities. And I just put out a video on how I look at stocks, valuation, balance sheets, right? I look at news. And so I find the ones I like the most. I put them on my watch list and I just watch their movements, guys. It's good looking at the charts and seeing, which ones. When you look at a chart consistently over time, guys, you really understand the personality of the stock and its movements. Okay, so that's why keeping it simple with only a few instead of a ton is going to make you a better trader. Okay, so anyways, I will trade the first couple hours. Okay, try to make my money. And like I said, I'll tell you when I buy, do day trades. And then also when I'm adding to my long-term account. I've been doing a lot of stuff to my long-term account here lately. Okay, but I also will trade on a daily basis and try to make some money, play that momentum up, and then trim on the rip, raise the stop limit, boom, move on to the next one. That's how we do it here. So I'll do that, and then I'll be done trading. I'll go to the gym. As you know, I'll hit the hot tub, steam room, workout, of course, first. That's my ritual. I love it. It's my me time. And then I'll come back and watch the last hour of the day, okay, with trading. Because remember, that's when a lot of times institutions and big money comes in. And I want to see how things flow at the end of the day going into the next trading day, okay? Because you can learn a lot there and where, what sectors investors are putting their money into, okay? So I'll watch that. I'll also keep up with the news again constantly of what's going on to alert you guys, because that's what's going to move the markets, right, is the up-to-date news, whatever data comes out, right, we know, and other things globally. And there's going to be a lot of uncertainty, remember, with the election coming up. But once we have clarity of who's the president, remember, that's usually when the stock market has a good rally. But you never know if it's front-loaded this time, right? If October somehow is a good month, right? But usually after an election year, November, December, 6 months out, 12 months after, once there's clarity on who's the president, the stock market has done well historically, okay? So, but anyways, that's kind of what I do on a daily basis. Then I'll do, sometimes a stock market recap where I let you guys know what's going on for the day and heading into the next day, okay? So that's kind of my routine, but if you guys can have your routine, right, that you follow every day, it's going to make you a much better trader.